How to lose belly fat overnight. No strict diet. No exercises. This natural remedy will help you to lose 8 kg in 7 days. It is a simple remedy for you if you look forward to losing belly fat without dieting or exercising. Let's get right into the video. Ingredients needed for this method includes carrot, lemon, coriander branch and fresh clean water. Step 1. Wash and cut the carrot into small slices. Step 2. Wash and cut the lemon into small slices. Step 3. Pour both carrot and lemon slices into a clean saucepan and add 3 cups of water. Step 4. Boil the two for 10 minutes on low heat. You will observe a change in color of the water you added. It tends to have a yellowish color after boiling for 10 minutes. Step 5. Add the coriander branch to the boiled mixture in the saucepan and allow it to diffuse into the mixture for 15 minutes. Step 6. Filter the mixture after 15 minutes, using a sieve to have only the yellowish liquid. Step 7. Allow the liquid to mixture to cool down and pour it into a glass bottle and store in refrigerator. Drink a warm glass of this mixture twice a day, one before breakfast and one before dinner. To lose entire body weight, drink mixture for 15 days to lose 15 kg without any stress. Hope this was helpful. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe to the channel.